Well, we got some impressive rainfalls in the area yesterday and then rewarded with a great day today.
Isn't that nice? Yeah, that's the way we like to see it. The front moves through, brings us some beneficial rains, although flooded in some areas, and then the nice low humidity around. That's really quite comfortable. We're going to see another round of this, too, next week. So Monday and Tuesday, another cool start. Casey Key webcam showing the Sea State a little bit stirred up as a result of the stronger winds this morning. We had lots of sunshine, though. Not much cloudiness to show you at all there. Beautiful sunset expected tonight. And here are the headlines as they read. Chilly overnight for Florida standards anyway. I know it's going to be a tough struggle. We'll have in the mid to upper 50s tomorrow, but it will be noticeably cooler. A cold front arrives on Sunday, so big storms are possible on Sunday. It's too early to tell whether they'll be severe, but it looks like we will see a good possibility of thunderstorms in the mix, 2 of those showers as the front moves in. Cool again on Monday and Tuesday, as I alluded to, so it looks like don't put away the sweaters quite yet. You may need them tomorrow morning. Now, that front made it all the way down into South Florida right now, but Key West still in that warm, moist air out ahead of the front. Some showers just off the coast of the Keys there, but nothing going on here. High pressure dominating. The evening planner looks to be pretty nice too. Clear skies, and then for tomorrow we'll see fair skies, sunshine all the way through the period. Upper 70s for highs, which is fairly typical, but it will still stay really nice. We'll start to see that humidity value come up a little bit on Friday, and especially on Saturday. Saturday will be much warmer. 78 right now. It's 80 in Key West, 73 in Orlando, 70 in Jacksonville. And temperatures everywhere pretty uniform, mid to upper 70s. We go from Avon Park to Arcadia to Northport at 78 degrees, Venice at 78, and temperatures in the mid 70s at Cortez, 77 now in Bradenton, and the Gulf water temperature at 77. Currently, it's 78 at the airport. There's that humidity value extremely low. Winds out of the northeast at 7, so those winds have abated somewhat. The pressure 30.07, and that continues to rise. The high today was right at the average, although it felt a little bit cooler because of that low humidity. This morning's low was 64 degrees. And Futurecast showing high pressure dominating the weather. We get that east to southeasterly wind flow on Friday that will warm us up and also bring that humidity back. A few more clouds around, but still a lot of sunshine expected on Friday. And then the storm system gathers over the central and southern plain states. This will eventually sweep a front away. I'll talk more about that in just a minute. Temperatures have really warmed up in Detroit, Chicago, St. Louis, all in the 70s right now. 75 in the nation's capital. These are highs tomorrow, I should say, throughout this region. They were warm today as well, but that colder air is on the way once again, though. They're going to warm up, and then they're going to chill out again as a result of that. Here comes the front. Now, this is at Sunday at noon, and you can see we could see some big storms start to approach our area. Sunday afternoon, it looks like Sunday evening, the potential for some showers and thunderstorms, and then it moves on Monday and Tuesday, clearing out, turning much cooler on those days. So that's, again, our forecast. Nationally, we mentioned that snowfall that was around earlier in Michigan. It's in Vermont, New Hampshire, and upstate New York, but their winds are going to switch around, and it's really going to warm up there tomorrow. And then the major winter storm taking shape over the central Rockies. This will produce up snowfall amounts up to a foot in places like South Dakota and into central Minnesota. And now here's the forecast then for boaters tomorrow. Winds out of the east turning to the northwest. Start off at 15 knots, subside 5 to 10 in the afternoon. A moderate chop on the bays and inland waters. The 7-day forecast looks to be really nice tomorrow. Thursday, we'll start off on a cool note, but we'll warm in the low 80s. Humidity comes back on Friday, 85. And mid to upper 80s. We'll see some upper 80s to near 90-degree temperatures, especially inland on Saturday. That will be the moisture availability for the storms to move through, as I mentioned, anywhere from midday to the evening hours on Sunday, and then cooler weather to move in on Monday and Tuesday. Scott?